The costing tool in SolidWorks aids you in quickly estimating the manufactured costs of sheet metal or machined components without having to wait on quotes or manually estimating costs in a spreadsheet. Let's take a look at a sheet metal component. Using detailed built-in templates that are easy to customize, SolidWorks Costing helps you quickly calculate the manufacturing costs for parts made internally or using regular vendors. Since the tool is completely automated, you can evaluate different vendors, materials, or thicknesses, and see the price update immediately. The costing tool works by looking at the various part features and assigning these to specific manufacturing operations. For sheet metal, that means cuts, bends, and even custom tools or operations. If desired, you can even drill down to specific operations to see the time and cost associated with them. Custom operations can be automatically accounted for based on the template or manually applied as needed. A key benefit of costing is being able to set a baseline to do fast, what-if scenarios, like evaluating the cost impact of adding lightning holes to increase stiffness in these side panels. The tool reevaluates all the features and automatically updates the manufacturing operations. The total cost for cut paths has reduced, and there are now 2 library forming operation features added for lightning holes. It's a little cheaper since the forming operation takes less time than cutting out the holes. Everything is automatically captured in a high-detailed report comparing your current concept to the baseline. So, when you have to present costing in a design review, it's ready to go. It contains a high-level summary as well as a detailed cost breakdown of the initial and final design variations. The built-in template editor makes it incredibly easy to set up operation pricing. Simply define the available stock materials, as well as the cutting and forming tools, and anyone in the company can use it to estimate costs. Built-in filter lists make it easy to focus on a particular subset of materials or operations to add or modify values. In an assembly, the costs are rolled up, which makes it easy to evaluate manufactured items relative to purchased items, or identify which components contribute the most to the cost of the project. Let's now take a look at a machined engine backplate. Costing automatically switches to the machined template and calculates the cost. You have the ability to choose if the part will be machined from a solid block of material or from stock plate material. Part features are sorted into cutting, milling, and hole operations. Tooltips explain the calculations used for estimating costs and time. There is even the ability to override the type and size of tool used for specific milling and hole operations if desired. As with the sheet metal components, it's easy to compare design changes and immediately see the impact on cost. In this part, we want to evaluate the cost of reducing weight by machining additional pockets. Costing reevaluates the manufacturing operations based on the required tool size, type, and cutting speed to remove the necessary material. SolidWorks Costing is a great asset for saving time and keeping projects within budget. SolidWorks applications provide great capabilities you can use right away for design, simulation, communication, and file management to work faster and make your products better. Explore all the features in the demo library or contact your nearest SolidWorks reseller.